Benny wakes up with the sun. Time to start the day of fun. He folds his blanket at his bed, fluffs his pillow near his head. Neat and tidy, hooray, hooroo! Benny can and so can you. Tidy morning, bright and new. That's what tidy kids can do. To the sink he goes so quick, grabs his brush, give it a flick. Scrub-a-dub and spit and rinse, wipes his mouth and gives a wince. Then he picks his clothes so clean, t-shirt, socks, and pants of green. Buttons up so proud and neat, puts his shoes upon his feet. Neat and tidy, hooray, hooroo! Benny can and so can you. Brush and dress, feel fresh and new. That's what tidy kids can do. Blocks and cars and teddy bear, Benny plays them everywhere. But when the fun comes to an end, he tidies up, he's a tidy friend. Toys go back into the bin, books are placed all tucked in. No more mess on the floor, now it's clean, hooray once more. Neat and tidy, hooray, hooroo! Benny can and so can you. Put away when play is through, that's what tidy kids can do. Lunch is ready, yummy treat. Benny sits and takes a seat, napkin on him so clean. Munching veggies, rice and bean. After lunch, no mess to see. Plate and spoon go carefully. He wipes the table, clears his chair. Being neat shows that you care. Neat and tidy, hooray, hooroo! Benny can and so do you. Clean up after eating too. They what tidy kids can do. Benny colors with red and blue, stars and rainbows, houses too. Paper crayons all laid right, not a spill or messy sight. When he's done, he claps for glee, puts each crayon back carefully, stacks his paper, throws scrap away. Neat and tidy saves their day. Neat and tidy, hooray!